Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. So I was going to start off by saying, or apologizing, we're kind of jumping around on a bunch of different projects, so just bear with us on that. Different things, like this one we were waiting on paint to get back. We were waiting on parts for that one. We're just kind of coming to a standstill at each project, so we're just picking up on the other one where we left off. With that being said, we are back on this one. We got the paint back. Do you want to tell them, I guess, what our plan is today and what we're going to try to tackle?
Sure. So yeah, I'm just trying to work on stuff in my spare time to get it done. But we'll go ahead and button up a couple of small things here and then get it outside and finish it up. Take it for the first ride with y'all. Last night I stayed and put our rear fender on there. Got all of our taillights in there and wired up. Put our inner fairing on and little ignition switch cover and stuff like that. So we just got some of the little tedious stuff done because running all these wires and routing it, there's nothing really cool to watch. It just takes time to do all that. But that's where we're at right now. I got a couple more wire things to finish up here. And then we'll catch y'all back outside.
Yeah, we'll let him finish up in here just a little bit, and then we'll see you out there.
All right, we'll go ahead and try to get this thing off the lift. Moment of truth, see if the air ride works. I want to sit on it.